folks, Joe G here with Masshold e-bikes and drones. Hope you're having a great day today. So today I took out two of my drones, my Potensic Atom 2 and my Mini 5 Pro from DJI, and I put them up in the air and had them fly essentially the same mission. It's a point of interest, filming my little red house, and I thought I would do a comparison of the video qualities. So not much else to say here. The Potensic Atom video is in the top left hand corner. The Mini 5 Pro is in the bottom right hand corner. Let me know what you think.